Righty-tighty, ladies and gents. I am back from my local Apple store, and with me I bring a bag. In this bag is not one, not two, not three, not four, but three of the newest Apple toys that just came out today. And I figured, instead of making a whack load of work for me, making an individual video for each of them, I'm just going to do a giant unboxing of them all right now. So let's get started. I guess we'll start cheapest first, I guess. So this is the 9th generation iPad, which you guys seem to be really interested in from this video that I did up here. I've never seen this growth on my channel, so thank you. First of all, thank you for that. But second of all, I need a knife. Oh, actually, no I don't, because I have one on me. So, as I mentioned in the previous video, there's not too much that's changed with this. So if you have like an 8th gen, you're not really missing out. It's not that big of a difference, but there are differences. There's just like small ones. Alrighty, let's get the box open. Alright, iPad up front. What do we get? So we get a lightning to USB-C cable. I'm going to imagine that's 3 feet 3 inches or a meter for the rest of the world that doesn't use freedom units, and a 20-watt USB-C power brick, so the same as last year. Do we get color matched Apple stickers? We do not. Alrighty, so the iPad itself, this is new. It's like a paper instead of a plastic. And there she is. I'll show the B cam first, and then A cam. I got the silver with the black bezels. This is 64 gigs Wi-Fi only. And let's power her up real quick. So while she's powering up, I'm actually going to go get an Apple Pencil and a keyboard case. Bonjour. All right. So, what is different about this setup process? United States, set up manually, put in my Wi-Fi. I mean, as I mentioned in my previous video, aesthetically, really nothing looks different. Internally, really where most of the changes are. So this has the A13 Bionic, so the chip is no slouch. It's a pretty solid one. The main difference is the front-facing camera, as I set up Touch ID here. The front-facing camera is 12 megapixels. It's ultra-wide. It's, I believe it's 122 degrees field of view, and it supports center stage, so it will follow you around in the frame. So it's kind of like having a cameraman to kind of keep you in the center of the stage. We're not going to transfer any data or apps. I'm going to sign into my iCloud off camera real quick and agree to the terms and conditions and sign your life away. While this is setting up, again, I don't want to sound sappy, but thank you guys for the support on the last video and the support that you guys have given me over the past couple weeks. I've never seen this type of activity on my channel, and it means more than you can ever know to me. I believe we are at 897 subs. 898. We are 2 away from 900. So if you're not subbed, get subscribed, leave a like. It's free. You can always undo it later. It means more to me than I can really articulate to you guys in this video. So I thank you for your support, and let's keep going. Make this your new iPad. Theory, appearance dark, screen time off, app analytics off, iPad analytics on. No, I don't want that. Go light or dark? I will go dark. Welcome to iPad. All right, so we are in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna download a couple benchmarks. We'll get some Geekbench numbers. While I'm doing that, while I'm waiting for them to download, we are going to skip on to the second most exciting thing in my bag, the iPhone 13 mini. Magic of editing. Now, this is it. The iPad mini. I'm gonna be real with you. I didn't think I'd love it as much as I currently do, and like I haven't even set mine up. I played with it for like 3 minutes in the store. Oh my god, it's the perfect size. But let's peel the plastic. Alrighty, let's get her open. So small. It's so small, it's perfect. Let's see what we get in the box. There's a USB-C to USB-C cable to charge it, and then I'm going to assume it's the same 20-watt brick. Yep, same 20-watt brick. And here it is. I got the pink one. I wanted the purple. They were all out. So I got the second best looking one in my opinion. I got pink. Wow, that is something else. Like, it looks silver like that, but right there, It is pink. It is definitely pink, but that's it. That's the size that I want my main tablet to be. So let's get her going, powering up, and actually I'm gonna go run and grab the Apple Pencil 2, and the Apple Pencil just kind of sticks on the side like that. They were all out of every flavor of the Smart Folio case. Every flavor, like they had nothing in the back. So that kind of sucks. All right, so let's set up Touch ID. It's moved up into the power button. All done. Added. Add another, yeah, screw it. We'll do another fingerprint while we're here. I love the iPad mini. My first iPad was the first gen mini. Look at that. Yeah, I saw Marquez talk about this. There's like an inch of padding on either side of the apps that I'm not entirely sure is present on everything else, but I'm going to have a very, very difficult time parting with this if I do send it back. Alright, same thing here. We're gonna get Geekbench downloading. We'll hop over to the next thing that we have, and unfortunately the last thing, because they were all out of the pros, like everything, every flavor, every config, every size. Nothing. They had 0 13 Pro or Pro Maxes. So I got the mini. There's no plastic on it, so like I haven't opened this. You know, if I shake it, it's not going to come out. So we got little peels on it. You know, like the cases. You know, these little things. Supposedly like 600 metric tons of plastic that they're saving yearly by doing this, which is all right. I mean, you know, ooh, that is hot. Look at that. It looks so white. It looks so white. Does Bcam show it? Bcam shows it a little better. But it is a very subtle pink. Like it is definitely, like if you look at it real quick, it's white. But if you have it next to a white phone, yeah, there you go. If I put it next to a white case or white phone, it looks a little more pink. But I'm pretty sure my studio lights are like completely brutalizing this right now. So in the box, you get a lightning to USB-C cable, no charge brick because you already have one, according to Apple, so figure it out. And a lonely single Apple sticker. Here we go, here's the peel. Let me get in close. I'm really hoping the hiss of my microphone didn't just completely screw that over. But yeah, there you go. Let's see if we can highlight the notch. There you go. So you can see the notch is a little smaller this year. That's because they put the earpiece up closer to the top of the phone and they kind of scrunched everything in. The notch is a little deeper now, but it's 20% smaller overall. My main SIM is still currently in a 12 Pro. My store said that they might be getting another delivery of things today. They don't know what's on it. Let's see if I can get my hands on something. If not, I'll make a video whenever I can. Let's get this one set up and ready to go. One thing, the guy in the store lied to me. He said that there's no physical SIM, but there's definitely a SIM card slot. I love the mini size. You know, I can touch every part of this phone and I don't have to do that like stupid little hand gymnastics shimmy bullshit. I rocked a 5S for like 4 years purely because of the size, purely because I can touch each corner and everything in between with one hand without having to do hand gymnastics. Same can be said for this, even though it's a little bit bigger than the 5. So we're going to set up Face ID. Alright, first scan, and second scan. Second scan complete. I actually might daily drive this for a little bit. It is up to 128 gigs. Thank God. Thank God. That's the only reason I didn't main a 12 mini. My 12 mini that I got was 64 gigs. I had to seriously downsize to fit in this because I came from a 256-10. To fit in a 128-12 was a couple late nights of combing through memes. Welcome to iPhone. Ooh, I like that. We are setting that for both. These should be fully downloaded with Geekbench now, so while I download Geekbench on this one, let's run these two, see what we're working with for scores. Alrighty, the numbers are in. So the iPad 9 and Geekbench 4 scores 5478 single core, 12738 multi-core, and for compute it's 28313. Geekbench 5 sees 1335 single, 3243 multi, and 7377 compute. The mini in Geekbench 4 sees 7041 single core, 18554 multi-core, and 48196 in compute, and then Geekbench 5 it chalks up to 1600 even for single core, 4497 multi, and 13792 compute. And the iPhone 13 mini, this is the one with the 4-core GPU. The Pros get a 5-core GPU this time around. Geekbench 4 sees 7542 single, 17479 multi, 38436 compute. Geekbench 5 is 1706 single, 4081 multi, and 10811 for compute. So these things are monsters. I'm going to have videos on each of them, individually reviewing them. So yeah, be on the lookout for the videos. They should be coming again as soon as I can get my hands on a 13 Pro, and within about 2 weeks for everything else. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe. Please do subscribe. I would love to hit 1,000 subs by the end of October. I know it's a really, really big stretch, but I would love to see it. Let me know which of these devices you're most excited about in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.